leather, been left out in the rain and all kinds of weather, still clinging to the hope you'll get rediscovered. Will it be worth the wait and all the shame you suffered? You're still living in the past, and those glory days never last. Basketball, slightly deflated. We have all moved on, yet you have waited to catch a glimmer of that spark when you once lit the fire. Must be cold out there in the dark, just driven by desire. You gotta move on.